अस्सलाम वालेकुम फ्रेंड्स, वेलकम बैक टू आवर टेक्निकल अहमद यूट्यूब चैनल। तो फ्रेंड्स, आज हम इस वीडियो में बात करेंगे व्हाट इज़ सॉफ्टवेयर डेफिनेशंस, टाइप्स एंड एग्जांपल्स। तो फ्रेंड्स, आज हम आपको बताएंगे व्हाट इज़ सॉफ्टवेयर, सॉफ्टवेयर क्या चीज़ है, तो इसकी कंप्लीट डेफिनेशंस और एग्जांपल्स के साथ आपको बताएंगे इस। तो अगर आपने अभी तक हमारे चैनल टेक्निकल अहमद को सब्सक्राइब नहीं किया तो सब्सक्राइब कर लें, और ताकि हर आने वाली वीडियो का नोटिफिकेशन और बेल आइकन को लाजमी से प्रेस कीजिएगा ताकि हर आने वाली वीडियो का नोटिफिकेशन आपको उस टाइम पे मिल सके। चलें फ्रेंड्स, स्टार्ट करते हैं आज की वीडियो। तो फ्रेंड्स, हेडिंग आपको हमने पढ़ा दी थी, अब ये वाला पढ़ लेते हैं एग्जांपल्स ना, ये पढ़ते हैं एग्जांपल एंड टाइप्स ऑफ सॉफ्टवेयर्स। There are several types of software based on their functionalities, which are as follows: System software allow the users to run computers, softwares, and hardware, and it's responsible for managing their instructions with each other. Is it perpetuity runs in the background to maintain the basics manufacturers and the hardware of the computer. It essentially acts and as a mediator between the computer and the users to facilitate operations. System software is of for you types, which are as follows: operating system. The operating system is a collection of softwares that help exclude programs and offer a computer's application general several service. There are various types of operating systems such as iOS, Mac OS, Windows, Unix, Linux, and Ubuntu, among other. Device drivers handle the operations of the hardware device connected to a computer. They act as a software interface for the hardware device so that applications and the operating system of a computer can run the hardware functions. About having the knowledge of the hardware access specifications. Firm, firmware. Firmware is embedded in the read-only memories of a systems and is a types of permanent softwares that offer low-level controls for central device hardware. Utility software functions to configure, maintain, and offer support in the analyze and customizations of the computers. Application software on the or application program are and users program that serve specific functionality to help user accomplish center tasks. This includes graphics designing, researching online, drifting documents, watching movies on or playing games, and managing finance, among other. Developers keep creating your software application based on the evolving needs of user. There are varieties types of application software which are as follows: word processor word processor word processor softwares, as the name suggests, in designed for making notes, typing data, and documentations. User can also format stores and paint their data and documents respectively using word processings. सो फ्रेंड्स, आज की वीडियो बस इतनी थी। होपफुली आपको हमारी वीडियो अच्छी लगी। अगर वीडियो अच्छी लगी तो वीडियो को लाइक कीजिएगा, शेयर कीजिएगा, अपने फ्रेंड्स फैमिलीज़ के साथ। तो हम फिर किसी न्यू वीडियो में मिलेंगे, तो तब तक के लिए इजाज़त दें टेक्निकल अहमद यूट्यूब चैनल को। तो मिलेंगे नेक्स्ट वीडियो में। अल्लाह हाफिज़।